Hello dear friends! In this video I will be making a strawberry cheesecake. This cake is perfect for celebrating Canada Day. It combines two colors, red and white, symbolizing the Canadian flag, as well as two flavors, the delicate taste of ricotta cheese and the fragrant strawberry jelly. I prepare strawberry water with sugar to pour over the cake. I take a few strawberries, cut them up and add sugar. Then I pour in water and bring it to a boil. After that, I let it steep so the strawberries release their juice and color the water. I pour sugar into a bowl and whisk it with eggs using a whisk or mixer until the sugar dissolves. I add semolina, stir, and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to swell. Then I add a pinch of vanilla extract and ricotta cheese. I mix everything thoroughly and well. I use a springform pan. I line it with parchment paper, place foil underneath, and set it on a baking tray to easily transfer it to the oven for baking. I pour in the mixture, smooth it out evenly. I put it in the oven to bake. The temperature and time will be indicated below the video. I check doneness with a wooden skewer. Since ricotta varies, the baking time may differ slightly. I remove the pan and let the cake cool completely. I transfer the cake onto a cutting board. I cut off a thin top layer of the cake, but this step is optional. It's up to you. I wrap the cake with acetate strip, put the springform pan back on, and make sure to place foil underneath to prevent any strawberry jelly from leaking during pouring. This cake can also be made in a regular baking dish. And if you don't have acetate strip, use a regular plastic file folder. Cut it as shown in the video. However, it's not food safe and should not touch the cake directly, so I place parchment paper between the folder and the cake. I strain the strawberry and sugar mixture that I boiled and let steep through a sieve. Now let's prepare the strawberry jelly. I soak gelatin in water for 10 minutes. The strawberries for the top layer need to be washed beforehand. I washed and halved mine. You can cut them however you like. I dissolve the swollen gelatin in the microwave in 20-second bursts and add it to the strawberry water. I stir very well. I pour some of the strawberry jelly into a bowl and put it in the freezer to set slightly, just for a few minutes. I use this jelly to seal the sides of the cheesecake inside the pan, so when I pour the liquid jelly, it won't leak through any gaps or holes. I arrange the halved strawberries on top and pour the liquid jelly over them. If the jelly has thickened and won't pour, you can gently reheat it in the microwave in 20-second bursts. I pour only half of the jelly. This prevents the strawberries from floating if you pour all the liquid at once, and place it in the fridge for 5 to 7 minutes. I take it out of the fridge and pour the rest of the jelly. Then I put it back to set. In about 30 to 40 minutes, the cake will be ready to serve. I take the cake out of the fridge, remove the pan, peel off the acetate strip, and trim the sides. I hope my video will be helpful to you. See you next time.